Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create mockups in Canva. So let's just begin. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do, as we know that you have to log in inside the Canva account, and from here we can simply create the mockups. Okay, so we can create the mockups for the apps, we can create the mockups for the t-shirt, we can create the mockups for the cups. So let's just start creating the mockup for the t-shirt. Okay, so for the t-shirt, I will simply write down t-shirt here, and we'll simply click on see all in the suggested templates. So this would actually bring us a lot of the different and really great looking templates. Okay, so as you can see the templates here, so some of these images are actually the part of the pro version, some of these images are actually free. So we will simply start with the free design here. Okay, so let's look for something interesting. All right, I like this one. All right, so this looks really great here, this one, so I want to go with this one. And we can also see the other options here, so I think I would actually stick with our design here. Now let's click on the customize this template. So from here we can actually customize our design if we want to. So let's try to have the different background here. Not this one, this looks terrible. No, I think I would actually go with the black color. All right, so the default color was looking really great. We can change the texture if you want to. So if I just write down gravity free. All right, so let's try to have this text and try to have this into the center. All right, so this is looking fine. So if you want to do any modifications in the image, we can simply click on the edit image, and you can see this from here. We can add the effects, we can add the filters, and we also have the magic studio that we can explore as well. All right, and we can also flip the image. So let's just try to make this image a little interesting by flipping this vertically. All right, so this is looking fine, I think. And we also have this text, so if you want to change this text, so you can simply change it from here. So now let's just try to change the text with the magic right. So let's just go with this something more fun. Okay, so this is looking fine. All right, so I think we can go with this design for our t-shirt here. Okay, so how can we create the mockups? So this is the design. So at the moment we have created the design, not the mockup. So how can we create the mockup? That is really easy. All you need to do, so click on the share, and here let's just click on the more here. So now what we need to do here, you just have to write down mockup here. All right, so as you can see, we have the smart mockups here. So when you're trying to use a smart mockup for the first time, you would actually need to log in into the smart mockups, and after that you can simply use it really easily. So I have already logged in into my smart mockups account. So now let's click on the smart mockups here, click on the save, and this would prepare our design. Now we can see this, we have this option view in the smart mockup. So let's click here. You will be able to see your design on the different mockups. Okay, so we have the smartphone mockups. So right now we want to have the t-shirt mockup. So let's click on the t-shirt here, and you will be able to see our design on the t-shirt mockups. All right, so now you can see this, we have our design here, and the design is looking really great on the white t-shirt. So this is how we can create the mockups with the help of Canva. And the mockups for our design is not actually limited with the t-shirt only. We can also go with the sweatshirts, we can also go with the hoodies, tank tops, and the toddlers, and you can also see the other options here. So now let's just click on the hoodies here, because I really think this will really great on the hoodies. Okay, so let's try. All right, so now you can see this, we have this really great looking design with this mockup. All right, so this is how we can create the mockups. So let's try to create the mockup for the mug or something else. So I think I will go with the mugs, and we can also do the same thing with the clothes. So let's go back into our Canva. Okay, so let's remove this and let's click on the templates, and here what I need to do, I have to search for mugs here. Okay, so this would actually give us the templates for the mug. Alright, so you can see here we have the different designs here for our mug. So let's try to have something beautiful or funny here. Alright, so I think I would go with this lazy panda. So let's click here. And you can also see the other options here. But right now, let's just stick with our design. Click on the customize. And this is looking really great on our mug. Now let's click on the share. Click on the smart mockups. Click on the save. And now let's just have a view at our mockup. So here I actually have to click on the mugs. And here you will be able to see here that our lazy panda is really looking great on this mug. So you can see this is looking really cute here. So this is how we can create the mockups for the mug as well in the Canva. So let's just try to have this for our pillows. So let's click here. And this is also looking really great on the pillows. All right. And in the last, we can also create the mockups for the app. So let's just go back in the templates and try to have the templates for the app here. Alright, so now you can see here we have the bunch of different app design templates here. So we can simply go with any design here. So let's click on this one and let's just try to find any design that is free. Alright. Alright, so this is the free design here. So we can simply go with this one. Click here. And you can also explore the other designs here as well. But right now, let's just go with this one. And we can edit the design here if you want to. So let's try to have the mockup for our app design here. Okay, so let's click on the share, click on the smart mockups. And as you can see this, we have the three different pages here. So we have to select the page here for our mockup. So I would actually like to go with first page, click on the save. Now let's just try to view our mockup in the smart mockups. Alright, so as you can see this, we have the smartphone mockup. So let's click on the browse all and you will be able to see our app design on the mobile mockups. Okay, so this is looking really great. You can see this one. We have this one. Alright, so this is looking really great. You can see our app design here on the mobile mockups. So this is how you can get the mobile mockup for the app design. Okay, so if I just click here, and you can see this, we also have the option to customize this. So we have this mockup and we can customize the scene as well. And we also have the option to download this. So now let's click on the download here. So in the download, we have the different qualities. We have the medium, high, and the super high. At the moment, I would simply go with the medium quality. Okay, so we have downloaded the mockup image here. Now let's click on the PNG and you will be able to see the mobile mockup here of our app design. Alright, so this is how we can create the mockup in the Canva. So we have created the mockup for the t-shirt, we have created the mockup for the mugs, for the pillows, and in the last we have created the mockup for our app design. So this is how we can create the mockup with the help of Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.